Hello students, as discussed with you yesterday in our meeting, I told you I will be taking few more questions based on matrix method. So look here, the first point that I am discussing here is if the product of two matrices is an identity matrix, then you know that one matrix is the inverse of the other. So we can write A inverse is equal to B or B inverse is equal to A. In the same manner, it is not necessary it is always identity. It can be a multiple of identity matrix like Ki. As you remember, I have discussed with you in the example, we are getting AB is equal to 4i. So you just remember this result. If AB is the multiple of identity matrix, then A inverse is 1 upon K into B or B inverse is 1 upon K into A. I am discussing the question based on these results. If A is this matrix and B is this matrix, I have also sent it to you in the PDF. Find AB and use it to solve these system of equations. First step is find AB. Now you will evaluate AB. You know how to multiply A and B. I am not doing the multiplication part. I am writing the direct result. When you multiply, you will be getting 400, 040, 004. Now what does this indicate? We can take 4 common for the complete matrix. When you take 4 common, you are left with 100, 010, 001. This is our identity matrix, so it is 4i. So according to this result, our A inverse can be equal to 1 upon 4b. A inverse can be written as 1 upon 4 times B because it is coming out 4i. Now you convert these equations into a matrix form. When you convert them, it will become 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2. Here XYZ will be minus 1, 4, minus 3. No, it is XYZ, sorry. It is into XYZ is equal to minus 1, 4, 3. So you are getting it, and now you see this. This matrix is A or B. It is A, so you will mention it A. This is X is equal to, I cannot write it B because B is already used here. So we use some other notation, say C. I can write it AX is equal to C. Now you find the inverse. As you know, the solution is X is equal to A inverse C only when determinant is non-zero. So first of all, we have seen that A inverse does exist as AB is equal to 4i. It means A inverse is 1 upon 4b. So we need not find. If we can directly write 1 upon 4 B matrix over here, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3. Now you substitute this inverse over here. So you write X is A inverse C and you put this inverse here and into C and find the solution. I have already discussed how to multiply and how to substitute and how to find the value. This is just the discussion part in case your question is in the form of find the product. If you have to find the product, you will find the product and use this concept to find the inverse and you will directly put it here. So this is another way to solve system of linear equations. It can be in different forms. This is another form in the case you are supposed to find the product. Thank you.